Okay guys, so I want to show you my new bike and I'm dressed up my kit. So guys, this is a Yamaha 450 and that's Nala by the way. A 450. Don't know which one is it. Help me guys down below. So a 450 and so if you want to start it, you must pull this thingy in, then start it. So then it's off, and if you guys can see there, it's a button you press, the engine gauge, the fuel gauge. So it's a 4-stroke. Look at its exhaust guys, it's filthy. So well, there's my brothers and mine, this is mine also. So, and by the way guys, tell me something down below. If like it doesn't want to start, okay, self-start battery, it's fascinating. So kickstart it, but if you kick it, it's very not easy, you see. Well, we come over to this one. You see this one, the 250. This is a 2-stroke. Thanks for someone pointing that out. So it's easy to kick. It's easy to kick. You hear it. So we come down to the engine bay. That thingy is a thingy for the fuel gauge. Okay. And we come to that one. Not that, or is it this one, guys? We come down to the engine bay. We don't see that. I didn't see that thingy, guys. Please help me. And by the way, if you guys don't trust me, my feet is touching the ground on the 450. What type of 450 is it? Is it was it 450F? Or I don't know. So guys, I'm sitting, both feet on the ground. Yes, both feet.